sumisiyasat doon sa performance evaluation ng ating mga members ng cabinet?
Well, hindi namin pwedeng sabihin sa inyo yung membership ng committee na yan. But you can be sure that they are the highly calibered, highly, yung mga taong with an objective character. Maybe those who have been experienced, I can generalize only. Okay? Now, ang pag-uusga naman, it is based on what are observed, what are on the ground now, or performance, etc. So these are all brought to the attention of the President, who makes the ultimate decision whether to dismiss or accept the resignation, or to continue, or to give a new mandate, or what.
Yes, follow-up lang po. Doon sa mga nag-submit ng resignation, meron po bang nag-submit ng irrevocable resignation?
Ay, wala pa akong awareness dyan. But maybe in a few days' time, we will know. Kasi karamihan naman ang memorandum ko kasi is unqualified courtesy resignation. When I submitted my own courtesy resignation letter, I did not use the word unqualified anymore, but I just made it plain that if the President deems to accept this resignation, I am already ready to turn over the pending matters in my office to my successor. Now, tandaan ninyo ito, ang acceptance of a resignation does not then and there cut off your connection, because you still continue to have a responsibility to turn over to your successor. Okay? Hindi natin pwedeng pabayaan yan na pagtatalikod sa ating sinumpaang salaysay yan. Ay, sinumpaang salaysay. Yung oath of office natin, kung bigla na lang natin iiwanan yung trabaho, in an office like this, malalaki yan. So, iiwanan mo, bahala na yung sumunod sa'yo, hindi. So, ganun ang tingin natin dyan. Let the process proceed.
Salamat po.
Thank you. So, wala na. Okay na.
That
Thank
wraps
you.
up